Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we finally got this printer.
I know, right before the holidays. Me too.
Been looking forever.
Where is it cold?
Can you start the car and unlock it?
Let me go ahead and remote start right now for you.
I'm jealous that you have that remote start.
I know, finally.
How far away does that work?
It works up to 300 feet, and I can actually use it on my phone too and use it on my app.
That is awesome.
I know. Isn't it awesome?
I gotta get a new Jeep.
I'm gonna get me one today. We got here a nice little yellow Jeep. That one's locked. That one's locked too. What we got here though? Jackpot. Oh, happy holidays to me.
Almost there. You unlocked it, right?
Yep, here, I'll unlock it right there.
Why isn't it working? Why aren't you shift? What do you mean key fob not detected?
Is that somebody in your Jeep?
It is! Oh my gosh, what is happening to my Jeep?
Uh-oh. I've been hoodwinked. I'm out.
Hey guys, it's Janessa.
Blake.
And Holly here from Russ Darrow Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of West Bend.
I hope you enjoyed our feature film video today. It documented some of our wonderful remote start systems that we offer here at our dealership on a lot of our manufactured vehicles, but you can also upgrade your current vehicle to have a remote start system as well. And it has a lot of nice safety features as well. Janessa?
So our remote starts, you cannot shift them into the gear at all, nor can you go anywhere without having the key fob in the vehicle. So if that is something that interests you, come on down to Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend and see us.